Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. Now I'm gonna show you how to change system language on DJI MIC 2. To do that, first you need to open the control panel, then scroll right to the settings, click on the settings, find language, click language, then scroll right to find preferred language, for example Espanol, and click OK. That's it. As you can see, now we have Spanish interface language. To change it back to English, so just find the globe icon settings and click English. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.